It's not like I'm setting world records, for balance.
We were on with trouble, and then the guy was going to be like, you definitely took that over that comment about Shannon's dick.
What comment?
And so it like unraveled, and then we just got it off.
Oh yeah, if there's any tread left on the side.
Yeah. And then the whole thing, and then everyone was
that's not a pleasant term, really.
Right, if I drove here, I'd definitely drive on the wrong side of the road. But now it doesn't. It doesn't do it. And then it like, because they just shot off right towards these two guys. Yeah, and then I realized they were there, so it went up the other way, but it was trying to come too far.
Yeah, when I was in Indonesia and I rented a bike, every once in a while I turn. It's not so much when you're going straight down the road, you can kind of figure to stay on the... It's when you make a left or a right-hand turn, you take it, like I take my turns like they do, right wide, or right sharp, left wide. So when I go left wide, when I'm on the wrong side of the road, like all of this, if there's no traffic coming, I'll be on the wrong side for a while. I just go left, right, and it feels natural. If you're driving, all of a sudden you're looking down the road and you're like, some asshole's in my fucking lane. What is he doing? And then you realize I'm the asshole in his lane. Yeah, I drive on the same side. So if I take a left, I take it wide, right? So you drive on the other side. So and you're steering wheels on the other side of the car.
Oh yeah, we are.
Yeah. So, like sometimes when I was in Indonesia, I would look over at a car and I wouldn't see no one sitting in this seat. So I'm like, who's driving? And I'm like, oh yeah, okay. It takes a second, right? But yeah, England drives exactly like you guys.
Oh, that's why I'm driving. I don't think I have to worry about it. It's making sense. You know what I found when I got a car? I had a real issue where I used to always go to the wrong side of the car to get in it. Usually, the wrong side of the car was close to where I was coming from. I just couldn't think, and I'd always just come back, and I'd go around the other side and get back in the car. I don't know when that happened. I was so embarrassed.
I wouldn't tell people that too many times. I'd be keeping that secret. Oh yeah.
And then I used to drive on the middle down the coast. On the weekends I would drive and then during the week but I did send another box on the weekend, but I sent it like I'll probably get home before it's done.
Oh, yeah, I would just laugh and like get on the wrong side of the car and then come back out, get on the other side, and like, what are they doing?
Nobody told me they got my postcards except for Randy.